What's good, guys? It's your boy Wholesome Chance, and today I'm going to show you how to import drum kits into FL Studio. So you got your packs folder over here. This is where all your drum kits are. So what you want to do is right-click packs, go to System and Open, and then it'll show the actual folder where all your drum kits are. So then from there, what you want to do is go download a random drum kit. You can go to Reddit r/drum kits. They got a bunch there. Then what you want to do is go to File, open a new tab, and then just find the drum kits that you just downloaded. So I got this 808 kit that I just randomly found, a bunch of random 808s. So you want to just click this and then drag it over to the packs. Just like that. Then that's the 808 Mega Pack 2020. Just boom, there it is. It automatically imports. And simple as that, guys. If you like it, subscribe, comment, let us know what you guys would like to see in the future, and we will be sure to accommodate you guys. That's it for today. Signing out, Business Pig. Oink, oink, baby.